Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use hyaluronic acid serum on hair. Apply to damp hair immediately after washing, focus on mid-lengths and ends, and skip the roots. Start with a pea-sized amount, warm between palms, and distribute evenly. Comb through gently with a wide-tooth comb to spread the product. Use 2-3 times weekly to hydrate without buildup and adjust amount for hair thickness and length. Start with clean, towel-dried hair to ensure hyaluronic acid serum absorbs effectively. Section hair into parts so you apply small amounts evenly from roots to ends, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Warm the serum between your palms and work through with fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Avoid heavy application at the scalp to prevent oiliness. Finish with a leave-in if you need extra smoothness or control frizz. After applying hyaluronic acid serum, style gently to lock in moisture and reduce breakage. Use low heat settings and a heat protectant when blow drying or using hot tools. For fine hair, use smaller amounts, and for thick hair, increase slightly. Try protective styles to help retain hydration between washes. Monitor your hair over a few applications and tweak frequency if you notice buildup or limpness for best long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.